Maximize your space by creating vertical gardens using hanging planters or wall-mounted shelves. This not only adds a decorative touch, but also optimizes your available space. Utilize containers for your plants to easily move them around, follow sunlight, or protect them during extreme weather conditions. This flexibility is especially beneficial for urban gardeners with limited space. Enhance your garden's health by practicing companion planting. Planting certain crops together can naturally repel pests, reducing the need for chemical interventions. Embrace sustainability by repurposing old items into unique plant containers. Get creative with upcycled materials like old pallets, tin cans, or wooden crates. Conserve water and promote efficient irrigation by using techniques such as drip irrigation or self-watering containers. This helps keep your plants hydrated while minimizing water wastage. Start composting to create nutrient-rich soil for your urban garden. Utilize kitchen scraps, yard waste, and enhance the fertility of your soil. Plan your garden strategically by following a seasonal planting calendar. This ensures you choose the right plants for each season, optimizing growth and yield. Enhance your garden's ecosystem by attracting beneficial insects like ladybugs and bees. They play a crucial role in pollination and pest control, contributing to a healthier garden. For those with limited sunlight, supplement natural light with artificial lighting. LED grow lights can be an excellent addition, ensuring your plants receive the necessary light for optimal growth. Stay proactive by regularly monitoring your plants for signs of pests, diseases, or nutrient deficiencies. Prompt adjustments will help maintain a thriving urban garden. There you have it, 10 tips, tricks, and hacks to elevate your urban gardening game.